And at bat, it's the big O, baby. What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to talk about here in today's video is SOUN. Where is the stock headed from here? As you all know, we do have a hedge position on our long position with a $14 strike put option, which expires here at the end of the week. Stick around, guys. I'm going to give you my insight and thoughts on how I feel about things is going right now. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out DXYZ. I know a few people has asked me over in the Discord here today, do I feel as though that this thing is still headed towards $90 by the end of the month? Stick around. I'm going to answer that for you guys. Also, before we do speak about everything, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted QUBT for the entry price of $3.10, ladies and gentlemen, with that price target being $3.40 plus back on November 15th, slightly over a month ago. And if we take a brief look and just check out today's price action on QUBT, the stock has seen a high of 1764. Again, on the day that we alerted it was on this day here. And if we take a brief look and check out those interval stats, the stock has returned over 475% since the day of the alert. And that is what you call a home run play. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, activate the free trial, ladies and gentlemen, and let the gains begin. But just to inform everyone out there, we're currently having a 50% off sale, which you can get a yearly membership for 50% off, as well as a lifetime, and you do not want to miss out on that offer. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, and that is our beloved DXYZ. And if you're currently holding the stock, I want you to comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. I want to see if we got at least 20 viewers currently watching this video that is currently holding DXYZ. Now, as you all know, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is making a huge move overall thanks to the investment that it has made here in SpaceX. With that being said, we do have a upcoming earnings report, ladies and gentlemen, which we do. In case you were wondering what trading platform I am using, it is called Moomoo. If you do want to sign up for Moomoo, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone these perks you see here on the screen. All you have to do is make your initial deposit of only $100. But not only will you get 15 free stocks, but for those that don't know how to read indicators or charts, don't worry, Moomoo have you covered with the interpretations of indicators chart. This easy to use tool makes it very simple on understanding whether a stock is bearish or bullish. And you will also see me refer to this chart quite often in my videos. So again, using my sign up link while signing up for Moomoo, you get a lot to gain and nothing to lose. Expect to get great news on not only that, DXYZ has a lot of catalysts left here before the fiscal year is over with. With that being said, each launch that SpaceX has comes as a catalyst here for DXYZ. What we're currently undergoing is what we call a correction. Like I tell you guys all the time, stocks tend to not trade above this upper for too long. What we're going to focus on is this mid-Bollinger Band. We're going to see this thing continue to the upside, and what I want to see here in DXYZ is a mid-Bollinger Band bounce. Now, how long it's going to take before we actually see that, I do feel as though that we're going to see that Bollinger bounce slightly after Wednesday open, sometime in mid-trade day here on Wednesday. Each day we're going to see this mid-Bollinger bounce, this mid-Bollinger rise about $5 here. So we should be around those levels here in the next day or so. But with that also being said, ladies and gentlemen, DXYZ overall, as you guys can see here, that market cap is getting pretty darn close towards those billion-dollar levels, which we do expect to see here before the year is over with. And that comes with that $90 share price. Now, Like I said before, I got a few DMs over in the Discord regarding DXYZ and the potential of it actually crossing those $90 levels like expected here before the year is over with. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I do feel confident with that. In fact, breaking its historical high here at $105 is more realistic here in the early stages of the month of January. Okay. With Donald Trump taking office, we're going to see a lot of Tesla favored and Elon Musk favorite stocks actually rise. But like I told you guys before, do not think that Tesla is actually going to be the best buy during this Trump administration. No, not at all. It's going to be Palantir, and I have made that clear plenty times over on my main YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already, make sure you get over to it. I will be going live on Friday, 8:15 a.m., which is 15 minutes before market open Central Time. And just to let you guys know, Friday is always my best trading days. And for all you QUBT shareholders and QBTS shareholders, you may want to check out that latest video that I dropped here on my channel because it is very important here and regarding today's trading. But DXYZ, we currently have resistance on the day at $71. Healthy correction here on today's trading. We do have a neutral SAR flip that is right at that Bollinger Band at the upper, and that's the main reason why I don't feel as though that we're going to actually drop too far. I don't feel as though that we're going to break below that mid Bollinger Band at all. Currently, right now, we do see net outflow and favorment, which points to more covering than shorting here. No, more shorting than covering so far here on the day. Last but not least, we're going to talk about SOUN. And if you're currently holding, like I said before about DXYZ, drop that in the comment section below. As you all know, guys, with that $14 strike with our hedge position, and this is not me calling myself a bear here on SOUN at all. In fact, I am very bullish on the stock. This is my favorite NVIDIA's holding stock. I have said this months ago, ladies and gentlemen, and I do feel as though that this stock is headed towards $24 overall here, not before the year is over with. We do have about $21 in the tank on that note, but I do feel as though that we're going to see $24 in the early stages of January. But with that being said, this hedge short position that we currently have here in SOUN is just something that we do as a safety net, because we are above the Bollinger Band, of course, here on yesterday's trading, and with that comes is a retracement. And ladies and gentlemen, you want to be able to make money on both sides. Even if you're bullish on a stock, again, you do want to put those safety nets that comes with a reward, and that is a put option, not just buying the dip. Put a put option out there, ladies and gentlemen. Once you get above that upper on that Bollinger Band, make some money on the way down, and you can add that to your long position if chosen, or you can walk away with those gains. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, SOUN, I do feel as though that this thing is going to creep back towards those sub $15 levels here by the end of the day tomorrow. Now, this is a healthy correction / cool down. We don't see a SAR flip. The SAR is currently here at 1363, which is going to be higher here tomorrow around 1450. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that is going to be our bounce price target. That is actually going to fetch us a return on our put option premium that we have set here for SOUN. Like I said before, $14 strike ends here the end of the week, and that is our easy money put option here that is set. Now, with that also being said, after reaching those retracement levels, I do feel as though that our next leg up is going to be back towards those $21 levels for a bottom consolidation, for the next leg up towards those $24 levels here in SOUN. We're starting to see a pickup across the board in NVIDIA holding stocks, with SOUN being one of the front runners. As you guys can see here, these are all the stocks that is currently in NVIDIA's portfolio. SERV, SOUN, in my my third favorite is APLD, ladies and gentlemen. This is also a stock I told you guys to look out for here, and you do not want to miss out on. So with that being said, if you haven't already, don't forget to consider joining the Discord server. Like I said before, we're currently having a 50% off sale, something you can't beat, and may the gains be with you. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord. The sign up link is in the description below.